Okay, this is another video on a logic concept. Today is specifically truth tables. So what are truth tables? Truth tables are basically just literal tables, well not literal tables with all the possible inputs and the resulting outputs when implemented in the truth function. So for example, here is an example of a truth table. This is the negation table. So the possible inputs are true and false, and the negation basically just reverses those. So true becomes false and false becomes true. Very simple. Here's another. This is a truth table of conjunction. This obviously has more rows because there are more combinations. So there is true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false, and true, true is the only one that gets a truth output, the true output. So because that's how conjunction works. And now there's the more complicated truth table. That this is a complex or compound truth table, where each where the so I don't know if you're supposed to call that formula, but the sentence is so complicated that you split it up into parts, and then you say if each part is true or if it's false. So, for example, now A and B are just whatever the inputs are during this combination of inputs. So, but the negation of B, for example, is B but reversed. So the negation column is just the reverse of B, and then the conjunction column is if A is true and the negation of B also true, then it is true, and otherwise it is just false. And negation, and then the final negation is the negation of that. So yeah, that is how a complex or compound truth table works. It basically just works the same way, but you divide each pieces because the TFL sentence gets so complicated. Yeah.